साथी हो अहिले चाहिँ हामीहरू ट्याक्कै 3:30 बजेतिर खाडी चौर आइपुग्यौँ है। सो यो चाहिँ हो बाटो छुट्याउने होइन। अनि के भन्छ यता माथि चाहिँ दिल्ली जाने बाटो भयो। यतापट्टिबाट अब हामीहरूले लेफ्ट साइड लियौँ भने यो पुलको लेफ्ट साइड लियो भने काठमाडौँ जान्छौँ, राइट साइड लियो भने तातोपानी। सो वी आर गोइङ टु गो टुवर्ड्स तातोपानी एन्ड दिस इज सुनकोसी ब्रिज।
Hello YouTube. Today we are going on a trip to Tatopani, the nearest border to China, Khasa. Tatopani is a village in Sindhupalchok district of Bagmati zone. It's also a huge trading post between Nepal and China. So let's see what amusing things we will experience on the way. So stay tuned.
Pretty Goody is eating something real good. That's going to be donut, and we are enjoying the view of Sunkosi, na? Yes, Sunkosi, and you can see the view. It looks so amazing indeed. दिउँसोको 3:30 बजेको छ हैन, and wow, I mean like we made in 3.5 hours from Jiri to here.
So guys, हामीहरू चाहिँ तातोपानी जाँदै क्रममा होइन आधी बाटो बिच बाटोसम्म चाहिँ मैले कुदाएँ, तर यो अफ रोड भएको हुनाले गर्दाखेरि हाम्रो क्यामेराम्यानले कुदाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ। एन्ड देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ सुनकोसी खोला है, कति राम्रो है,
दुधै जस्तो।
दुधै जस्तो के गाइस, यो सुनकोसी हो कि दुधकोसी हो होइन, कमेन्ट डाउन इन द सेक्सन बिलो, बट वाट एभर इट इज इट लुक्स रियली मिल्की वाइट, अमेजिङ।
त्यो गिटी सिटी सबै निकालेर क्या हो, पहाडभरि गिटी न गिटी छ त यार।
ए त है के खोलाबाट त्यत्रो गिटी निकालेको हो त, पहाडै बनाइरहेछ त यार। गाइस देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ गिटीको पहाड, पहाडको माथि झर्ना हेर्नुहोस् ल।
The journey itself is way much better than the destination itself.
Just like our dear cameraman said, journey is indeed way beautiful than the destination. I wonder what we will experience when we reach our target, the Tatopani. The small houses in the banks of the Sunkosi river makes the view more peace-giving, and indeed our country Nepal is gifted with natural beauty. The dense forest covering the hills and the hills with small edges that gives the vibes of Tarai is simply the sign of our country's richness in natural beauty. In every nook and corner of the road, we can simply experience the beauty of nature, which is just unsatisfying. The more we look, the more our desires to watch this beautiful nature increases.
सो गाइस अहिले चाहिँ हामीहरू आएको छौँ 12 भन्ने बजारमा होइन, धन्न ग्लोबल ब्याङ्क रहेछ यार यहाँ पनि।
Barabise is an urban municipality located in Sindhupalchok district of Bagmati zone of Nepal. It lies in the Oraniko highway, which connects capital city Kathmandu to the Chinese border in the north. Situated in the river banks, the bazaar has quite a busy street, and this place is well facilitated with electricity, transportation, and various other facilities. The earthquake of 25th April 2015 affected this place as well, but seems like there's been a lot of improvement already. Being close to the Chinese border, the businesses here are influenced by the Chinese market. Most of the people in Barabise Bazaar are involved in business of Chinese products including clothing, bedding, food items, electronic devices, and many more.
बाइक बिग्रेर यहाँनिर बनाउनु लिएर आएको अवस्था। बाइकमा खै के आवाज गरे खराङ खराङ गरेर चाहिँ गरेछ। एन्ड दिस इज बारबिसे बजार। बजारभन्दा अलिकति माथि आइसक्यौँ, बट स्टिल मर्मत गर्ने ठाउँ। साथी हो होइन, तातोपानी जाने क्रममा चाहिँ होइन हामी बारबिसे भन्ने सहर कटिसक्यौँ। अनि सहर कट्ने बित्तिकै चाहिँ यो क्यान चाहिँ है कस्तो मजाले भनेर माथिबाट झर्ने घर मात्र हो। देखेपछि मलाई कस्तो डर पो लाग्यो यहीँ छ खोला बगिरहेको है सुनकोशी डामाकोशी भोटेकोशी के हो सुनकोशी नै होला हौ
Cannot explain the joy and happiness we are receiving from this beautiful gift of nature. Just a 15-minute pass from the Barabisi Bazaar found this exotic place on the Araniko Highway. The waterfall here is indeed a treat to our eyes. There are all total 3 waterfalls in this place. Wonder how many more we will see in the coming path. This place has been one of the most thrilling experiences till now from the places we have traveled and can't wait to see more surprises of the nature. The sharp-cut hills and the small villages by the roadside is amusing. Although the roads don't seem friendly enough, we will try our best to reach our target as soon as possible and show you more of this beautiful nature. Though the roads are small, but there are a lot of big trucks passing by, and lots of construction also seems to take in this place. We just hope that in the coming next 5 years, roads will be developed properly and smooth travel can take place, so that more visitors like us can get the experience of this beautiful place.
We are at this place called Borderlands Eco Adventure Resort रहेछ So yeah, restaurant, Araniko bar and music, whitewater rafting, kayaking, canoeing, trekking, retreats, training, यताउति blah 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 सबै हुने रहेछ है रिसोर्ट चाहिँ कहाँ छ हैन खम्बा चाहिँ यहाँ देखि मैले हैन बाटो चाहिँ यसो छ है अलिक डेन्जरस रहेछ त्यही भएर म चाहिँ उत्रेको मलाई डर लाग्यो यहाँबाट पहिरो गएको रहेछ ए
As I have already said, the road doesn't seem friendly enough. Seems like landslide took place in this area as there are a lot of big stones covering the path. I would suggest everyone to avoid coming in rainy season because the roads are really challenging. In Nepal, it's better to travel in fall or winter season because those seasons are dry and we can avoid any type of disasters caused by rain.
On the way to Tatopani.
Oh my god, can you guys believe it? Way from Kathmandu to Tatopani, my god, you will be seeing a lot of fountains, eh? Like waterfalls. My god, it's totally breathtaking, eh? Like, it's such a mysterious thing, yeah? Look at that, look at that. Like, अब सीधे माथि लगाउँदै बिस्तारै 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 गर्दै
guys, we are nearly near at Tatopani हैन अनि यो चाहिँ हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रहेछ है
Countless number of waterfall and the green dense forest covering the hills. Must say, this place has become a lifetime experience for me and cameraman both. The roads are a bit muddy and we both are really tired, but our tiredness seems to be swept away by this beautiful place. We can see the hydropower project in this place, and on our way we also saw a lot of Chinese workers too. Maybe they are here to help the hydropower project in this place. Our country is indeed loved by all.
Guys, झन्डै रोङ बाटो जानु आँटेको छौँ हामी. ओ माई गड. सो बाटो चाहिँ यस्तो छ है.
The roads are really challenging, so beware, and I would really like to suggest all of you to avoid coming in rainy season. The Botekosi river is indeed huge, and do you guys know Botekosi also has a Tibetan name known as Poikyu? Even the bridges here are covered with muds and are really slippery. We are really hoping to reach Tatopani as soon as possible because we both are really tired of the off-road and our backs have started to ache. Being the most beautiful country in the world, there are still lots of things needed to be improved in this region, and mainly the roadways. Hope in the coming future the roads will be developed and more tourists would visit this place.
Just check this road here. Kina kun bela bhane आज चाहिँ and check the struggle of Mr. Cameraman. बाटो त guys finally तातोपानी बजार आइपुग्यो. कस्तो खाली छ त तातोपानीको बजार.
So we have finally reached Tatopani, our most awaited destination. It seems due to the close border of China, lots of businesses in this area has been shut down, and only few local residents seems to be living here. This place seems to be really ignored, and due to COVID, the bazaar has been shut down. Hope we can explore this place as much as we can, and hope to meet you in our next video where our trip will still continue.